so much. You know, that time change that we all have to deal with is coming next weekend. We'll be falling back and setting our clocks back 1 hour.
For most of us, that means we'll get an extra sleep on Sunday. But for those of you who work the night shift, you know what it means. It means an extra hour of work.
Okay. Unless you work overnight, you probably never consider the impact of time change. But these volunteers at WGU, who right here are assembling care packages, want the healthcare workers toiling at night to know we see you.
Because recognition is so important. You know, they say that people don't leave jobs, they leave managers. And sometimes if you work the night shift, you never see your manager, you never get that feedback. So this is kind of positive feedback for those people who kind of toil away in the middle of the night and are invisible to the administration and the leadership in healthcare facilities.
So when these blue boxes full of tchotchkes like Post-its, chapstick pens, and also some treats, hot chocolate, candy, and granola bars arrive, it comes with a message. Thank you. Here's a treat.
Night shift is kind of a unique thing in that a lot of hospitals, their cafeteria is not open, there's nowhere to eat. So this little night shift goodie box is really meaningful.
Once assembled, these boxes are going to be shipped all across the state to 25,000 overnight nurses. This is a WGU project that started in 2013.
It's even more important this year in the midst of a pandemic. You know, our healthcare workers are stretched pretty thin and have been through quite a lot. So every little thing that we can do to recognize them.
This is a gift, and it comes with just one stipulation: to open when that extra hour of work starts at 2 a.m.
Now, Mary happens to be a WGU employee, and she worked as a nurse for more than 40 years, and most of those years she worked overnight. And she says all the fun at work always happens during the day, and by the time the night shift comes in, all that's left are stale donuts. And that's why she came up with this idea, and as you can see, it really is catching on. So kudos to you, Mary.